beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. As you guys can tell by the title, today is going to be girl hacks. These are going to be a bunch of random hacks. These are all hacks that I think are going to be useful as well to make life a little bit easier. Solve those girl problems. I did one of these before, so I'll link the first one down below for you guys. Share it with your friends if you like it, and give it a thumbs up if you want more videos like this. As well as I want to shout out today's post notification shout out goes to, thank you so much, and today's Instagram shout out goes to, yes. Make sure you guys join the family by hitting that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. And as always, I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook, so it would mean the world to me if you joined me over on those fam jams. But that being said, let's jump into it. To get your lashes to look the best they can and look more fuller, a little hack I have for you guys is to use Vaseline to prime your eyelashes. So all I did is I took a clean mascara wand and I just put it into the Vaseline, and then I applied it onto my lashes. This is pretty much gonna prep and prime your lashes before you apply your mascara. So I made sure to apply it really close, especially near the inner lash line, and I applied it on also my bottom lashes. So you just need to make sure your lashes are coated with some Vaseline, and then once you're done that, you can go in with your favorite mascara and apply it on top, and your lashes are just gonna look their best. They're gonna look fuller, and it's also going to make your mascara last all day and all night long. So I actually did a Vaseline life hacks if you guys are curious to know a bunch of hacks that you can do with Vaseline itself. So I'll link that down below for you guys, or you can click the little I button and the card button up top if you want. But this is what it looks like after applying the Vaseline, and this is something I like to go for on a daily basis. These next couple of hacks are going to be hair hacks, and I feel like a lot of us forget to clean our hairbrushes. So you should actually clean your hairbrush about once a month or so. And all I do first is I make sure to take the excess hair that I can take out myself, and then all you do is take a shampoo. So I just put a bit of shampoo onto the hairbrush. Next, just take a toothbrush, of course, that you never used, and you're going to keep scrubbing the shampoo into the hairbrush. And as you guys can see, I took a bowl of warm waters, and you're just going to brush the shampoo through your hairbrush and put the warm water, and then once you're done with that, you're going to clean it off with a towel. The reason why it's important to clean your hairbrush is because it removes a lot of the dirt, the oil, and the built-up hair products that you have on your brush. So definitely do this once a month or so, like I said. Now this hack is by far my favorite hack. So this is an amazing way to get heatless curls, so you don't need to use any heat at all. All you have to do is take your hair and twist it, and then twist it around a tank top strap. I know, it's weird, but guys, it works so well. So as you guys can see, I just twisted my hair into two sections, kind of like little pigtails, and you just try to wrap your hair as much as possible around those straps. Once you are done wrapping it around your straps, all you have to do is take a little spray bottle with some water in it and just squirt a little bit of water onto it. Let it sit, maybe do your makeup, do your hygiene routine. So let it just sit there for a bit. I didn't even let it sit there for that long. I think I let it sit there for half an hour or so, or an hour. You can sleep with it overnight. It's really up to you. But what you do after, you just take it out of the straps, and as you guys can see, it gives you such amazing heatless waves. I'm obsessed with it. I thought it turned out so beautiful, and it's not putting any heat. So especially if you're trying to grow your hair out or help your hair because it's damaged, it's really important to find some heatless hair options that you like so that you don't have to put so much heat onto your hair. So as you guys can see, this is the completed look, and I definitely recommend trying this one out. I'm telling you guys, you will like it. If you use any of my hacks, make sure you take a photo on Instagram. I'd love to see it, and just comment. I get so excited when I see you guys try my hacks out. This hack is for those times where you cut your nails and your nail pieces just go everywhere around the room. I know you've been there because it's the most annoying thing to have all these nail pieces just fly everywhere. So a way to avoid that is take some Scotch tape, and you're just going to tape up the sides of the nail clipper. And once you start clipping your nails, the little nail pieces will end up getting attached to the tape, so you won't have all these nail bits around your floors and everywhere across the room. So as you guys can see, all the nail bits just landed into the tape, and then all you have to do is take the tape off and throw it into the garbage and your room won't be a mess. So this is definitely a lifesaver hack. This next hack I think is so cool. All you need is a liquid lipstick and a clear coat mascara. So I decided to take my MAC liquid lipstick. You can take any color you want, but I really loved this nude color and we're gonna use it as nail polish. Yes, I know, but it works so well. So all I did is I just applied the liquid lipstick onto my fingernails. I made sure that it completely dried, and then I just took my Essie Top Coat nail polish and I applied it on top, and this works as an amazing nail polish. It actually lasted me days as well, and I was really shocked. Like, it doesn't come off right away, and I loved this color, so I'm definitely going to be doing this with some of my liquid lipsticks that I don't really use a lot. If there's pinks, there's reds, you can go all out with it, but it's really fun to just do a different nail color with your liquid lipstick. And this next hack is super random, but I use this a lot, and that is bio oil. So if you have any acne scarring or you just have a scar from whatever it may be, like myself, I recently did a Selena Gomez hair hacks and I burnt my forehead. So I've been putting bio oil onto the scar, and I'm telling you guys, bio oil works so well when it comes to scarring. So I definitely recommend trying this out every single night before you go to bed if you have any scarring on your face or body. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give that big thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button and join the Nicolette's Fam Jam. Your girl uploads every other day here on my channel, and as well as I do have social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook, so go join me over on there. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!